So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll hear Shenssea talking about in an interview how she want to try it in her body. Now when me did I grow up, me did hear say them brown skin girls here, they have them clear complexion girl here, them have white liver. Nevertheless, our foreparents, they were right, because she's half Korean, half Jamaican, and she's so bold and brazen with it, which is her life. I don't really care what people do with their sex life, but just ask Shenssea for a friend, asking for a friend. Shenssea, you're not afraid that you're batting up on life support after you're done with all that. And the next thing again, what if you go into the bathroom and everything just rush down on the floor before you reach because the grip on the muscle is not there anymore? Did you know that it's toxin and waste is supposed to come out of behind there? Nothing's supposed to go up. People think supposed to come down. So I'm just asking for a friend. Are you not afraid? Huh? And you know our album is trending now. Our album is out and it's trending, yes. But you know, she will do anything to stay relevant. This girl know how to do the game. She do anything to stay relevant. She not gonna drop off of the map. You understand? So all this have to do with keeping herself in the vlogs for people to talk about her. For she stay relevant. You understand? Me feel say she just add, you know, fury to the fire. Yeah? So guys, here's the video, and I'm asking you guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for all the old and new subscribers. God bless you richly. Thank you for helping me to grow. My subscribers are not that much, but me still give God thanks for the small amount, and the big amount come, me still gonna worship him. All right, watch the video and you guys will see what Shen have to say. Peace out.
Before you leave, is what is something that you haven't done that you want to do in the bedroom? Besides the orgy.
Ain't no